You're not gonna believe how much she could have made from just one video. She could have made $400,000 from that just one video. Let me show you what I mean. You can see this is her account, and this is the video that I was talking about, and she's got over 40 million views. All she could have done is go to Google and type in Amazon Associates and then just click on this link. You can see Amazon will pay her up to 10% in associate commissions. This is the same product in the video, and it's being sold for $22. All she had to do, guys, after she got her account set up is go to this product page and go to get links, and then just grab this affiliate link. Price of the product is $22, and Amazon pays you up to 10% in commission, so that comes to $2.20. Got over 40 million views. If only less than 1% buy from that video, that's 200 sales times 2.2 comes to $440,000 in profit. The money she could have made. This actually reminds me of the guy who traded 10,000 Bitcoins for pizza. This is called affiliate marketing. What you do is you promote somebody else's products or services in exchange for a commission. In our case, it's Amazon. I want to learn how to do affiliate marketing with less views and less followers and still make thousands of dollars? Then see my profile to learn more.